Okay, this is Florent, the mathematics user, and we want to look at SED for basic schools. Now, we want to look at how we can simplify the given SED. We have square root of 4 plus square root of 8. The first thing to do is to simplify what we have in the radical sign. So as we know, the square root of 4 is 2 plus, now we need to simplify this. This is what we need to do. We need to find the factors of 8. But we must make sure that we have a perfect square within the factors. And I always encourage learners to pick out the pair with the highest perfect square. So when we look at 8, we are going to have square root of 4 times square root of 2. And this is going to give us here 2 plus. Now our square root of 4 is 2, multiplying square root of 2. And this is going to give us 2 plus, here will be 2 root 2. Let's pick a second question. Now we have square root of 24 plus square root of 27. Now we need to simplify this. Let's find the factors of 24. So for factors of 24, we have 1 and 24, 2 and 12, 3 and 8, 4 and 6. And looking here, it is this pair which has the highest perfect square. So square root of 24 will be written as square root of 4 multiplying square root of 6. Then let's pick 27, which is 1 and 27, 3 and 9. And this pair has the highest perfect square. So we have square root of 9 times square root of 3. Now let's simplify. Square root of 4. Our square root of 4 is going to give us 2 times square root of 6, which is still square root of 6, since we do not use calculator. Plus here, square root of 9 is 3, multiplying root of 3. Let's pick a third question. We have 2 root of 27 minus root 50. This is very simple. Now remember, we've already done square root of 27 here. So we maintain our 2, and our square root of 27, we had square root of 9 times square root of 3. Then when it comes to 50, the factors are 1 and 50, 2 and 25, 5 and 10. But it is this which has the highest perfect square. So the square root of 50 will give us square root of 25 multiplying square root of 2. Now let's go. We are going to have 2 here. Square root of 9 is 3, which will multiply this. Then we have our root of 3 here. Square root of 25 is 5, which multiplies the square root of 2. And this is going to give us 6 root of 3 minus 5 root of 2. And this is our final answer.